I think it was 1-1.
Tadi 1-1.
First about our team.
Pertama tentang tim kita.
I think that we first half we played good. There was also not a lot of pressure from Solo, but we knew.
Ya, rasa babak pertama kita main bagus. Solo juga nggak press.
We knew that they are very good in the transition.
Kita tahu mereka bagus di transisi.
Especially also with Sananta, he's very mobile.
Khususnya Sananta sangat mobile.
So one side we have to be careful, other side I think we did very good.
Satu sisi kita harus hati-hati, satu kita bagus.
Second half, especially towards the end, the circumstances changed.
Babak kedua berubah.
I think there was more pressure from Solo.
Lebih banyak pressing dari Solo.
And at that moment Septién was also injured, so our two strikers are injured and we had to improvise on those positions.
Jadi Septién juga cedera, jadi dua striker kita cedera, jadi kita harus improvisasi.
So we had a little bit lack of that.
Jadi kita tidak ada kedalaman.
I think because of this result, we will end in top 4.
Ya, rasa karena hasil ini kita akan masuk 4 besar.
I think it's a big compliment for the club.
Pujian untuk klub.
We made, I think, very big steps.
Kita bikin langkah besar.
It's a big achievement after 3 years that you will end in the top 4.
Setelah 3 tahun kita bisa masuk 4 besar.
And it's also with the identity that suits with the club.
Juga ini sesuai dengan identitas yang kita cocok.
And that's a big compliment, especially for the players.
Pujian khususnya untuk para pemain.
Our next ambition is, of course, the second position.
Ambisi selanjutnya adalah tetap ada di peringkat 2.
So we will play against Biak to win.
Kita main lawan Biak untuk
And get to the second position.
dan berada di peringkat 2.
And that's also what I said that during the season. You have to make goals
Itu juga yang dia bilang di sepanjang musim kita harus bikin gol.
that you can reach.
Supaya yang kita bisa.
Otherwise, goals have it's useless.
Kalau enggak, nggak ada.
So it was always 2 objectives.
Jadi ada 2 objektif.
There are 3. First of all, play football.
Satu main bola.
Secondly, is top 4.
2 masuk 4 besar.
And the third one is as high as possible in top 4.
Setinggi mungkin di 4 besar.
So that's the second position.
Itu artinya apa peringkat 2?
I must make a compliment also the other part for Solo.
Ujian juga buat Solo.
Second half, we really was difficult for us.
Babak kedua sulit.
I think that has also to do, with the public, with the spectators.
Juga ada hubungannya dengan penonton.
They shared themselves behind the team.
Mereka berada di belakang tim.
And then you get an atmosphere that players, they had a very good connection. You felt it with the spectators.
Bisa rasakan ada koneksi dengan penonton.
And I think that's something I hope that we can create also next year.
Ini juga harapan kita bisa punya yang sama di tahun depan.
When we probably get a stadium for ourselves.
Tidak kita punya stadion sendiri.
But first of all, I think it's very nice to play here.
Tapi pertama-tama ya bagus.
And secondly, you felt the connection between the spectators and the team.
Dan yang kedua yang koneksinya.
And that's something which I think hopefully next year we can also achieve.
Yang dia berharap tahun depan juga kita bisa dapatkan.
And I think they were dangerous.
Mereka juga berbahaya.
And I think that we were dangerous.
Kita juga bahaya.
And I think it was very rainy.
Okay.
No, we have to translate. It was very rainy.
Itu hujan tadi.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya Bola Spotter.